Hey guys, it's me, Atta. I got a diffuser. Ooh. Yeah, I made another intro. It was really sad. Or way too happy, so now I'm sad. A lot of people ask, why are you putting a diffuser on your car? So the answer is, I like the way it looks. There's a lot of things you need to do under the car when you're installing a diffuser. But luckily, this one came with directions. So we're trying to read through the directions and we got distracted, so I'm just gonna try to take some stuff off under here and get that first panel in to see what it looks like. Who put these on? I did.
Ow.
I know, right?
It just sounded painful.
God. I actually remember zapping these on with like infinite power with an air tool. Yeah, like maximum, like a setting you should never use to install anything, because you have to take this this piece off when you're doing exhaust.
Are you recording everything you're doing?
I am, but I mean, I'd hit the camera over. I mean, it's just a nightmare under here. It's really just sad all around. Oh wow, look at all that light. Thanks, bud. You're so useful and friendly.
So right now, Atta's taking off the bolt from the cross member to install the brackets. These are the front-facing brackets for the diffuser.
Do you cross-member what this video is about?
So is there a link we can put for these diffusers for the people to check out, or these are super custom?
I think they're pretty custom. I mean, the guy doesn't have I don't think he has a website or anything. He just did a group buy thing on S2K.
So if you guys want one of these diffusers, you're pretty much SOL.
You're just not going to get one.
Let me know if that's in your eye.
Huh?
Let me know if that's in your eye.
With the light? No, you're fine. Oh, that was a really good opportunity for a That's What She Said, bud.
So yes, S2K guys, who's been under your car to install an exhaust know exactly what bar this is.
Yeah, you have to remove it to install, or actually to remove
the exhaust, the catback at least.
Yeah, your stock exhaust, you need to remove this. For installing aftermarket exhaust, like say you already have an aftermarket and you want to install another aftermarket, you don't need to remove this bar.
Yeah, I mean, if you guys watch my exhaust install video, you'll see exactly which bar this is. You like how I
Can they see from that angle?
Yeah, they can see perfectly.
Cool. Yeah, we got Darren over here today again because we love Darren, and go check out his page at what's your page? S2KP?
It is S2KP, and my Instagram at S2KP_22. Actually, I changed it to S2KP_13 since 22 was used.
Really?
Yep.
That's funny.
It's a knitting Instagram.
You know, it's a type, isn't S2K?
It is. S2KP is a type of knitting.
It's a type of, it's an actually technique, right?
Yeah, it is a
technique. Knitting technique.
I'm kind of mad that my channel is a knitting technique. But if any of you guys out there can knit an S2K ornament, send it my way.
Not gonna lie, I was pretty good at home ec. I was pretty good in home ec class. I made myself a little dog, and I made myself a pair of pants. So, I mean, knitting kind of cool. I mean, I guess I didn't knit any of that stuff, but it's in the same family, right?
You hear that, ladies? You need a guy who can knit and do all that stuff? Sorry, but he's taken.
Oh, super, like the most taken.
Ultra taken.
Ultra taken. Should be the name of a fighting video game. Ultra taken. All right, cool.
All right, so
Let's
this
get
is
the brackets.
The bar, and now we're going to get the brackets. Hang on, I'll get the brackets.
All right, so these are the brackets that came with the diffuser. Nice little aluminum pieces, actually pretty thin but sturdy enough to get the job done, which is going to be holding this diffuser in place, no flex, at high speeds at the track. So
the instructions actually say it's aircraft grade aluminum.
Yeah, I mean I don't know that much about aluminum, but this sure feels like the good stuff. So this goes something like this. Can anyone see that at all? You see that? It goes like this. Then I'm going to put the bar to sandwich it in, tighten it down, do it to the other side, and see where we're at.
We'll be good to go.
Good to go. What they're talking about.
I'm sorry about the somewhat shaky cam, guys. I'm kind of cold. I'm laying on this cold ass concrete.
Did you want to drop the door on your car?
No, I'm not that cold. I'm just. Oh, it's because I'm laying on this concrete. You know, we don't have. I'm sorry, we. Atta doesn't have.
It's as much your garage as my
heated
garage.
concrete floors. So anybody who's watching, if you've made it this far into our video, thank you.
No way.
Both Ads and I are going to try to upload at least one video a week. And once again, you can find his channel at Tabesh. She's going to change that name eventually.
But you can link it below. If they subscribe and they change the name, they'll still be
I'll
subscribed.
definitely link. I don't know if you watch like fancier ones.
I don't watch like hardly anything. I see this one channel called Speed Academy. Those
Yeah,
guys
but those
are
guys are
awesome.
semi-professional.
Oh, I just feel like they're awesome.
You know the one dude worked for Super Street for a while as an editor, right?
I don't know. There's a brace.
That's a mounting bracket. Yes.
There's a mounting bracket.
Other way. Other way. There you go. Let me look up the directions real quick.
Yeah, right?
Pause.
This is gonna give me rigidity.
That thing isn't gonna give me no damn rigidity. Alright, so it looks like for that bracket, it is using the top hole. The top hole on the bottom hole.
Got it. Top on bottoms.
Top on
What about bottoms on bottoms? Would that just raise the diffuser up a little?
Maybe. Oh, I guess it's for adjustability. I mean, you know.
Yeah, I see that. I like it. All right, cool.
That's a pro DIY stance right there, fellas. When you're
What?
on your back installing stuff.
Delicious.
Oh, that just hurts my teeth just looking at that.
It hurts my teeth just doing it.
It's okay. I think these are all supposed to be. We can just finger tighten those two, and then just tighten everything at the end.
That's what the name of my car should be.
Actually, I don't know if you can tighten these after you put the diffuser on because the diffuser is gonna be covering all.
Finger tight. That's the name of my race car.
There you go. Finger tight. So now you need bolts or tools, I'm guessing. So now you need tools.
Yeah, let's go get some tools. Back with tools. Because we came under here with no tools. It's so funny.
Look, man, everyone's a children to me now, okay? I'm 31 freaking years old. I'm editing that part out.
What kind of is this American size? Ah!
He means standard.
Is this real? Is this what our world has come to? Oh my! I can't. I'm done.
Great.
I'm done. I'm done.
Great.
I give up. I'm out. I'm turning it off. I'm recording because we're about to be lit up. So, 2 hours later, we're back and we found this size called 7/16. These are two brand new wrenches, never been used, because 7/16. So we don't have ratcheting, we don't have sockets. We're doing this. What's this called? Old school.
We all know us Honda folk don't have 7/16s.
I didn't even know this was I don't know how to use non-ratcheting wrenches either, by the way. So there's that.
Can you just finger tighten that one until you need the wrench?
No, because the back one has one of those rubber nuts on it, and it doesn't let you.
A lock nut?
We really should try to find a socket.
All right, everyone.
This is awful.
Let's see if we can find us a 7/16. Socket. Oh, check out that wing. When did we put that on there?
That wing is really... I've gotten a lot of compliments on that wing, by the way. All of those compliments came from myself. I really gave myself a lot of compliments on that wing.
No guarantees. Does it fit?
Yep.
It was 11 millimeter.
Wait,
That's what that's on there right now.
so it's an 11 mil?
So we just learned the conversion of 7/16 is 11 mil. Hopefully every guy who owns, a metric wrench kit.
Or a girl.
Or girl. Sorry, girls, but, there's probably zero of you guys watching this.
What, guys or girls?
Girls.
Probably a lot of girls watching this.
Nah.
Girls, man, some of the fastest... Man, I've lost to so many girls.
Yeah, but they don't watch videos like this.
How do you know?
Because they have boyfriends to do it for them.
No, you don't understand. No, I'm talking like the girls do it themselves. There's a bunch of fast girls in WDCR SCCA.
Oh no, I've lost to them.
Yes, you have. You're the slowest. All right.
So just to recap.
Recap.
That's the rear mounting bracket.
So rear mounting bracket.
And the two front facing forward.
And I got the two front brackets facing forward up top. All right, here's the rest of the hardware that's left. We're going to go over and start putting the actual diffuser together before we put it underneath the car and bolt it up to the brackets we already got going on down there.
Now he's installing the... I don't know what you call these.
These are going to be fins,
The fins,
right?
yes.
These are going to be fins. I'm going to install left side and right side of the middle. The ends already came on here. Actually, they weren't even installed. It's the same piece as the middle. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's nice manufacturing. I'm a grown-ass man. I'm 17.
I just turned 17. I have 3 kids.
My channel is exclusive to adults and business professionals.
Business pros.
Business pros. Close up of these super flush, super fresh, flush freshes.
Flush freshes.
Freshes.
New word for you Gen X kids.
All right, you guys, we got the one panel that's underneath the diff and down. We got it mounted up. It looks great. I didn't use any of I didn't record it because I was under here and the phone was all the way on the other side of the room.
catch that footage on S2KP.
Yep. Darren caught all that footage, so go over to his wonky ass channel. All right, now we're gonna put up the piece de resistance. This piece. This beautiful diffuser. It's so pretty.
My phone is flickering because it's at like 17%. Hurry up and finish the freaking thing.
Well, I got an iPhone, so I got all the battery in the world. Let me just chill here with my battery. Can you? I got an idea. Hold up.
Just
Let's
flip it and
yeah.
I'll... Hang on, there we go.
Okay, so I think it goes a little something like this. Yep, that looks good. Need a couple of screws.
Dude, your
Can't really reach.
camera's a lot more natural than mine. Oh, you see my light?
What is wrong with your? What is
my
wrong with your
phone is
camera?
starting to die.
Is it really? Where'd it go?
Oh god.
Oh god.
See, he's doing this on purpose because he knows my phone's about to die.
I really did not do that on purpose. Where did that go?
Move over to your left. Like just move over.
Do you see it?
Keep scooting. Oh god, no, it's gone.
Where did it go for real? We need it.
It's in Narnia, man.
We need that
It's gone.
piece. We need that piece. Oh my goodness.
Was it a bolt?
No, it was a screw. We need them for the
It's okay, we'll find it.
final install.
Oh, God, there it goes.
Oh, that's it.
That was just the light. The camera's still recording. Wait, can we just turn your light on?
Yeah, why not?
I don't know how to
I got-
iPhone.
It's unlimited battery. I think you might have to turn off that recording and then...
It's recording, but no light came on.
No, you have to turn the light on before you start recording.
What kind of...
Oh, that
There you
flashlight
go.
is bright. It's much brighter than yours.
You know what, man? Get off.
I know you're recording, but can you help with
I'm
my
holding
arms?
2 cameras.
Whatever. I need your help. I can do it all by myself. Let me
I'm
see
gonna
you
have to
do it.
like not even be able to see your screen. There we go.
Oh my goodness. I'm getting kind of older because my eyes can't focus if something is this close to me, even with my glasses on.
Dude, I totally feel like a pro cameraman over here. Look at the way I'm holding these things. Like, seriously.
That's what you said.
Oh.
Oh! Oh no.
Oh, God, not again.
Oh god. We're down screws.
You're probably just going to have to get up and we're going to have to look for these things. There's nothing wrong with Banana Republic.
No, I know, it's fancy and it's nice. I don't understand how you're making that into a joke, though.
Because it's too fancy for me.
At the chef's Banana Republic. Like, that's not like a funny joke. Like, I don't understand why you're laughing right now either.
What's actually funnier is how is this going to help with any error when all of this over here is exposed?
What, on the sides?
Yeah.
I mean, it's helping with the big main part of the bumper, maybe. I don't know.
Yes, there's
Guess
still
it's
going to be
some air.
that parachuting effect. Well, I guess it eliminates a lot of the parachuting effect. Right? You know what I mean?
I'm not putting this on for aero. I ain't gonna lie to you. Shit looks good.
And that is being a Honda kid 101.
For aero to truly be effective, you need more than just a splitter. You need proper downforce, the proper spring rates, the proper tire. You need to have it dampened appropriately. There's like a lot that goes into aero, like true aero.
You guys need
Okay,
to
let's
listen. He knows what he's talking about.
No, I don't. This is the first time we've ever done anything in here with no music. Is that because we're recording for this YouTube's?
Possible.
All right, everybody. We're done the diffuser install. That was a lot of fun, actually, even though parts of it were a little bit tricky. But now that we're done that diffuser install, we can do something totally new. But I won't bore you guys with that. It's gonna be another diffuser install. Hey, Darren. Wow. Good job. Good work.
Jacking.
1, 2, 3 boxes. Who's
Who's
the third?
one for, though?
Do. You're gonna have to tune in like 6 months to find out.
6 months, 8 weeks.
What? What? No. Not even-
Ignore everything I say.
Sounds good. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Good news, guys. We got a diffuser. Woo, 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 woo. I don't know why. Let me do that part over. That was weird, wasn't it? What was it like? Hey guys, we got a diffuser, so it's time to diffuse.